Hey everyone, how you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. I am holding a mug of tea in my hand, so you know I'm going to be talking about tea in this video. This is going to be one of my Sips by videos. As a matter of fact, you're going to see this same intro on the next 3 videos that I do for Sips by, because I'm going to be talking about some of their specialty tea boxes. If you have not seen any of my other Sips by videos, let me just do a very quick rundown for anybody that might have tuned in and have not seen any of my other previous tea videos. Sips by is a monthly tea subscription box. If you go to their website, you can choose from a lot of different tea options there. You can buy individual teas. You can buy, oh my gosh, they have so many specialty tea boxes now that you can buy one box of, or you can buy a 3-month, 6-month, or a 12-month gift card for great gifts to give to people that you know that are beginner tea lovers or die-hard tea lovers, or even yourself. And then besides all their specialty tea boxes, they have their monthly tea subscription box. What that is just like a lot of other subscription boxes, except this one is about teas. You fill out a very in-depth quiz with the company. They really determine what your tea preferences are, and then every month they send you a personalized tea box. The monthly subscription runs $15 per month. It's free shipping in the United States. However, the next couple of videos are on their specialty tea boxes. These are special boxes for birthdays, for helping to improve your mood, for helping to improve your sleep. I'm going to show you the box that we're going to be talking about today. I'm going to actually unbox it for you, and then I'm going to steep one of the teas out of the box on my video. All of Sips By's teas arrive at your door in this nice compact cardboard box that says Sips By on it. And when you open it up, there is an informational card inside letting you know which tea box you received. This specialty tea box is Sips By's chai tea box. I have been waiting to test this one out for a long time. I love chai tea, so I am really, really excited about this one. If you turn the informational card over on the back, it lets you know all the teas that are in your box. It tells you how to steep the teas, tells you the caffeine level, the ingredients, and a lot of times it offers discount codes in case you love the tea and you want to purchase it yourself at a discount. So in this box, I have some Spice Dragon Red Chai Tea by Stash Tea. That contains cinnamon, rooibos, ginger root, and clove. That is my caffeine-free tea, and it looks like this entire box is caffeine-free, so I am thrilled about that. I really don't drink much caffeinated teas much. I usually pass those along to my husband. The other tea in here is Tulsi and Turmeric Golden Chai. That also sounds delicious, from a company called Woodsong Herbs. That contains holy basil, turmeric, ginger, cardamom, cinnamon, and cloves. The anti-inflammatory turmeric and the adaptogenic Tulsi make a powerful herb combo paired with these spices to make a warm, tasty brew. Ooh, that sounds delish. And then I have some roasted almond chai by Fava tea, which has apple pieces, cardamom pods, rooibos, almond pieces, cinnamon, coriander, whole cloves, and beetroot pieces. And lastly, I have some chai latte from Sigmatic, and that contains organic milk powder, organic palm sugar, organic cinnamon powder, organic cardamom, ginger, clove, and so much more. This chai tea box can be purchased for a one-time gift for $15, or you can purchase a 3-month, a 6-month, or a 12-month Sips by box physical gift card. Let's open the box and I'll show you what's inside. The Spice Dragon Red Chai Tea from Stash Tea. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. The Chai Latte Tea by Sigmatic Teas. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. I must have some loose tea in this box because Sips by included some of their reusable muslin cloth tea bags, which is great, especially if you give this as a gift. You'll know that the person you're giving it to has something to steep the tea in. Next in the box is some roasted almond chai tea by Fava tea. That's probably my loose tea. And then finally, I think another loose tea that I have in here is the Tulsi Turmeric Golden Chai Tea. This bag looks so interesting. I think, I've been looking through this box. This is probably so far my favorite box because I love chai tea and they're all caffeine free. So I think I'm going to I have to pick the Turmeric Golden Chai. It looks so interesting. Let's get going. So if you are a chai tea lover like me, or you know someone who is a chai tea lover, this would be a great gift. I will leave a link for this box from Sip Spy down in my description box. Take care, guys. Drink your tea. Bye-bye from Marla.